31 laundry room organizing ideas that will transform your space. Welcome to our channel. From innovative storage solutions to clever hacks that maximize space, we'll uncover the secrets to banishing clutter and creating a laundry room that sparks joy with every use. These versatile clear bins are like the tidying heroes of your laundry room. Imagine effortlessly finding your detergent pods or dryer sheets, their clear surfaces whispering their location to you. Embrace the clarity and ease these bins bring to your laundry routine. These generous bins are the perfect solution for larger laundry items that often create a sense of disarray. Stack them high to maximize vertical space, creating a sense of calm and visual harmony. These elegant turntables infuse your laundry room with a touch of natural warmth and organization. Their presence maximizes space in cabinets and shelves, allowing you to utilize every inch thoughtfully. These sleek shelves are like whispers of organization, effortlessly maximizing vertical space in your laundry room. They offer a minimalist yet functional design that blends seamlessly with any decor, making your space feel more open and airy. Visualize your prettiest laundry detergents and fabric softeners displayed on these shelves, their presence transforming everyday essentials into a source of visual delight. The clean lines and white finish add a touch of elegance, turning mundane tasks into moments of beauty. They inspire a sense of intentionality, encouraging you to curate a laundry space that sparks joy with every glance. Imagine a well-organized, clutter-free environment where everything has its place, making laundry day a more enjoyable and efficient experience. These durable fabric bins are like gentle embraces for your linens and towels, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality, keeping them soft, organized, and ready to bring comfort to your home. With their elegant design, they seamlessly fit into any decor. Imagine reaching into these bins and feeling the soft embrace of freshly laundered towels, always within easy reach. Their sturdy construction ensures that your linens stay protected and organized, making your laundry routine a breeze. This versatile tape empowers you to create a personalized and adaptable organization system in your laundry room. Imagine the satisfaction of labeling each bin and container with elegant chalkboard script. Label shelves, baskets, and containers, creating a sense of order that speaks to your unique organizational style. This marker is the perfect companion to your chalkboard labels, allowing you to create crisp, clear, and elegant lettering. The white ink pops against the dark background, making your labels easy to read and visually appealing. These practical labels bring a sense of order and efficiency to your laundry routine. Their sturdy clips attach securely to a variety of bins and baskets, ensuring that your labels stay in place. This ingenious drying rack is a testament to the power of thoughtful design. Its folding design allows for easy storage, ensuring that it doesn't clutter your laundry room when not in use. This retractable clothesline is a stroke of genius for smaller laundry spaces. Imagine the satisfaction of effortlessly extending the clothesline when needed and retracting it discreetly when not in use. Its sturdy construction ensures that your clothes dry efficiently. This robust drying rack is like a trusted friend, always there to lend a helping hand on laundry day. Imagine the satisfaction of hanging even your heaviest garments on this sturdy rack. Its generous drying area allows for excellent air circulation. This elegant drying rack brings a touch of natural beauty and sustainability to your laundry routine. Imagine the warm glow of the bamboo complementing your freshly laundered clothes. Its sturdy construction and foldable design make it both practical and aesthetically pleasing. This magical gadget takes the effort out of folding, transforming a once tedious task into a satisfyingly efficient process. This innovative tool saves you time and effort, allowing you to fold clothes quickly and consistently. This clever caddy utilizes often overlooked door space, maximizing vertical storage and keeping your ironing essentials within easy reach. Its sturdy wire construction ensures durability, while its sleek design complements any laundry room aesthetic. This wall-mounted drying rack is a stroke of space-saving brilliance, providing ample hanging space without sacrificing valuable floor area. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can handle even your heaviest garments. This compact drying rack is a marvel of efficient design, packing a surprising amount of drying space into a small and easily storable unit. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can handle a variety of garments. This stylish hamper is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, adding a touch of elegance to your laundry routine. Its collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use. This versatile hamper streamlines your laundry routine, allowing you to pre-sort clothes with ease and transport them effortlessly. Its two-section design allows you to separate lights from darks or delicates from regular wash. These durable and space-saving laundry baskets are like the silent heroes of laundry day. Their collapsible design allows for easy storage, maximizing space in your laundry room or closet. This ingenious hamper cart takes laundry sorting to the next level, providing designated compartments for lights, darks, and delicates. Its sturdy cart allows for easy transport, while its removable bags make it a breeze to transfer clothes to the washing machine. These small but mighty drip catchers are like the guardians of a clean and tidy laundry space. Their discreet design blends seamlessly with your laundry detergent bottles. This clever lint bin adheres magnetically to your dryer, keeping lint contained and readily accessible for disposal. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with your dryer. This practical step stool is a must-have for reaching those high laundry room shelves with ease and confidence. Its folding design allows for easy storage, ensuring that it doesn't clutter your laundry room when not in use. This ingenious tool extends your reach, allowing you to retrieve items from high shelves or tight spaces without straining or stretching. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to maneuver. This practical storage solution utilizes often overlooked wall space to keep your mops, brooms, and other cleaning tools organized and easily accessible. Its sturdy construction ensures that your tools stay securely in place. This clever storage rack utilizes the power of magnets to keep your hangers organized and readily accessible. Its sleek and minimalist design complements any laundry room aesthetic. These ingenious little gadgets are like the peacekeepers of your linen closet, preventing fitted sheets from becoming tangled and wrinkled during the wash cycle. Their simple yet effective design keeps fitted sheets from balling up. This magnetic holder keeps your dryer balls organized and within easy reach, maximizing space and minimizing clutter in your laundry area. Its sleek and minimalist design complements any laundry room aesthetic. This versatile rolling cart is like a trusty sidekick, providing extra storage space for laundry essentials and keeping them within easy reach. Its 3 tiers provide ample storage for detergents, stain removers, dryer sheets, and other laundry necessities. These elegant hooks add a touch of sophistication to your laundry routine, providing a designated spot to hang delicate garments or clothes you want to keep wrinkle-free. Their sturdy construction ensures that your garments stay securely in place. These ingenious hangers are a space-saving marvel, providing a convenient and damage-free way to hang clothes in your laundry room or closet. Their adhesive backing securely attaches to a variety of surfaces without leaving behind any sticky residue. Thanks for joining me on this journey to transform your laundry room into a haven of organization and peace. It's amazing what a little effort can do to make such a big difference in your daily routine and efficiency. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more content to make your home life easier and more enjoyable. Until next time, may your laundry days be filled with ease and satisfaction. Remember, a well-organized space can bring a sense of calm and joy to your everyday life, and your home